always forget to say this first. Welcome back. I don't know what day it is. I am part of Steady Stream Cassios. We appreciate you for watching this. This is our Sprinter 144 build. These are the walls. These will be put on today. I've got some black self-tappers. Obviously I installed them with some silver ones, but now I've got some black ones. I think it'll look really nice. So once we install this, might start on the ceiling, we'll see. But you can see I've got the holes for all the wires to pop out. And now I just need to start installing it. And the back sides, if you missed the other videos, the back sides of the walls were, did put a clear coat, like a hemp shield, a hemp sealer on the back of it. It smells like a sheep in here. Just realized I never painted the wall for over there behind the seat. Whoops. PC, regular USB little plug-in. So I need to get my wires, everything ready for it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna strip them back. Strip it back. What I'm gonna do, since there's like no switch, obviously, this power runs back to the fridge as well. That's why it's looped like this. Yeah, come on. Alright, so I've got that. Slide these together, twist them, do whatever I need to do to bring them together, because I just need to be on the same one. Slide some heat shrink, and then I'm gonna crimp them. I've got these crimpers, and they're just like a little 90 degrees, so that way I don't think these will work. Let's see. So that way it doesn't take up too much space in the back. So I'll add these crimp connectors, make sure they're on there really good. And then I'll come with the heat shrink it up. Looks pretty good. Might come back with the regular ones. Come back with the regular crimpers just to make sure that we're nice and crimped. There you go. Alright, so now I just need to heat shrink that. Alright, now that I've got my heat shrink, I can get this ready. So, like you already saw, one of the episodes already kind of mounted this. These are the blank dish plates. Drilled a hole in it, mounted my USB. So there's negative, there's positive. So I've got negative right there. And then the positive. Come on now. Right there. So, looks really nice. It's really secure. And now I will mount it. And go get 2 more screws for it. Might not be big enough. Got our USB installed. No longer have to worry about that. What I'm cutting out here is a piece of 5/8 inch plywood. We bought a Flatline Van Company step extension in order to obviously mold it into one big floor. It's 5/8 inch lower than the stock floor. This is 5/8. I'm going to cut in, and I've got to angle it, and then I'll secure it, Probably will paint underneath. So you can see this is what the step extension looks like. So this piece I have added secured for right now. This, you can store shoes, whatever you want in here. And then this is the piece that goes over all of it. And so if you can see, I'm gonna have to cut this, but it'll go over the flooring and then it just makes a nice little finish. And then it extends this. Since I built that extension, I decided might as well just go ahead and start on the floor. So you need a tapping block, some type of hammer to knock them all together. That's a wrap for today, guys. So other than that, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and always stay steady.